Hey everybody, welcome to our first daily diary here at Our Next Nest.
Hey.
I am Zach.
And I'm Kelsey.
And this is our daily diary, which is going to take you through our progress on building an Airbnb in our back house.
Perfect.
We have a welcome video that you should definitely check out. It's linked in the description below, where we talk about why we're doing this, why we got into it, and a little bit more about us and why we think we'd be good at it. But for right now, we're going to catch you up on the project. We're on day 9 and this is our first video, so we got a lot to catch up on.
Yeah, awesome. So we have done a bunch of demo. Really today, what I am focused on day 9, is going out to IKEA and I'm going to pick out a farmhouse sink. I've been shopping around quite a bit and I'm pretty excited about this option. And the reason I'm doing that right now is we've been in talks with our cabinet maker and he let us know, hey, for the farmhouse sink, sometimes each basin is a little unique. So he wants us to actually go pick it up, bring it out to his studio, and then he will get going there.
Yep. And on the renovation front, we demoed last week on Monday and Tuesday, and then we just did a little bit of prep, but we found very quickly that we are blocked by a plumber. So we need a plumber to come out here, help rerun some pipes in the kitchen, and get us set up to frame out a shower in the bathroom. So we're getting some bids today, weather permitting. It's raining right now, so we're inside doing this video. But weather permitting as well, I'm going to take you out back. I'm going to show you our progress and give you a brief intro into some of the videos we're going to talk about, such as how to build a subfloor when you got an entirely unlevel floor, which we do, how to take down backsplash and put up a new one, including cover up a window.
Surprise window.
Yeah.
We just discovered it.
We found secret windows behind our backsplash back there. And then finally, how to build out a shower. That's probably going to be one of the first projects you see on this channel, so definitely give that a look when it comes up in the future. Hey folks, welcome to the Nestled Inn Lakewood. So, you're catching up. This is day 9 and this is where we're at. Looked a lot different before. There was carpet all over the floor. Below that carpet was some really nasty tile. If you look on the wall here, there used to be a half wall that came out. We've got all kinds of eras of things that we've removed. So there was an old 60s looking air conditioning unit that we've since turned into a shelf. Good idea, Dad. Here we had a little wall heating unit that was powered by gas that's no longer hooked up. And then obviously we have central air and heating now. So we just ripped those things out. We're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do. Key things I want to point out to you right now is one, we're kind of blocked by rain and plumbing. So we had a plumber come out earlier today and he gave us a bid. I'll show you what he's gonna fix for us. But actually before I do that, I want to show you the subfloor. So this is one of the unique things about this. This used to be, a part of this back house used to be also the garage. So the garage is on the other side of that wall. And so it starts to fall off and slope down on the back end. It goes down by about 2 inches. And so we had to level out this floor. So we put down this really nice plywood, and below the plywood in certain places, because we couldn't go directly on concrete because it is unlevel, we put some 2x4s and 1x4s down to kind of even things out, and then we went over the top of that. So you get over here, it gets a little spongy. Over here it's directly on the concrete and it's nice, but once we put down that gunstock hardwood, it's gonna look really good, it's gonna be very solid. So, let's talk about these pipes. Alright, we demoed the kitchen. You can see those windows that actually were revealed to be full windows and not half. So they were half before. We're probably going to keep them half. These crazy pipes that we have here, we're going to take that out. We're going to put some Plex back in the wall. The plumber's going to come out and do that. And then we'll be ready for cabinets in here. In here, in the bathroom, we did a lot of work. So what used to be here was a crowbar on the ground. There used to be a closet here. The door would open into the closet so you couldn't even see this very weird, what used to be a shower. It was a tiny metal box. Here's your shower head. Here's your drain. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wall this off. Water heater goes here. We're gonna wall this off, put the drain in the middle and make it real nice. And then we're gonna do some tile coming up from the floor, doing like a wainscoting type style that Kelsey came up with. Really excited about that. That's all for tomorrow. We're going to be uploading a lot of videos about how we're going to do this. But just wanted to give you a catch up. In the future, they won't be summary. They'll be in the moment. But today, it is a summary because we're on day 9. So super excited about this. That's it. See you tomorrow.
sink ordered, and even though it's day 9, we're gonna get going on ordering furniture since most of it has about a 3 to 4 week delivery time. And what I'm doing is just actually sitting in the room so I can kind of get a sense of scale and what I'm really looking at. But let me talk you through a couple things that we decided on. So for the floor, we found a really great match to what we use inside, so I'll kind of hold this up for you. Just a gunstock stain, pretty standard for most of these houses in the 20s. And then we're gonna brighten the whole place up. We're gonna stay pretty neutral, so I'm gonna take it back to white. That way we can play with things and update as we need to. But go ahead and follow me and I'll show you the flooring. So in the kitchen and also through the bathroom, we picked out just 2 different types of Holland marble. One of these is called Bordiglio, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, and the other is just more straightforward Carrara. So we'll just check that out on the floor. I might even play with some other ways of laying that tile down, but you will definitely get a chance to see that in the next few days. See you guys tomorrow. How good are your tile skills, Zach?
They're pretty good.
Scale of 1 to 11. What do you got?
I'm hoping for straight. I'm hoping I can
We're hoping it's straight.
Yeah, like maybe the grout won't be crooked as ever. So, but for right now, this is the end of Daily Diary number 9, and we will see you on Daily Diary number 10.
Awesome. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.